Hi friends, today we are going to solve form good string problem. So in this given problem, John is very fond of string. He does not like string which have consecutive letters. No one has an idea why is it so. He calls them bad string. So good string are the strings which does not have consecutive letter. Now the problem is quite simple. Given a string, you need to convert into a good string. So basically a string would be given and we would have to remove any characters which are consecutive. So let us write the code for I in range int input. So it is one of the easiest problem I would say in this entire series. So anybody who has a basic idea of coding would be able to solve this. So we would be assigning a variable called output, which should be initializing with the first character of our input string, and now we'll be looping it through. So for each in, we'll be looping it through from first index. So index in Python starting from 0. So 0 I have already assigned. So now it will be starting from index 1, and we will be checking whether this current index is equal to the last value of the output. If each not equal to output minus 1, so last value of the output that is present. So if it's not true, then basically if these two values are not similar, then they would be incrementing the output by each or character each, and at last we're going to print it. Print output. Some indentation errors. Yep. So basically, for example, we started it from A, then take a small example of ABB. So initially our output is A, and we'll be looping it through. So basically the loop we are going to, so we'll be looping it through BB string. So on the first instances, we'll be checking whether A and B are equal or not. So they are not equal. So in that case, we'll be adding B to our current output. So then our output would be A and B. Then on the next iteration of the last B that is present, we'll be checking whether that B is equal to output minus 1. So output negative index minus 1 is basically B. So B and B are equal. So it would be not doing anything and we'll be basically skipping that character. So this is the entire idea. So I have run this code. So no, let us run the code. As you can see, it passed the test cases. Let us submit the code. And as you can see, all the test cases are passed successfully. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.